How to keep flies out of your house when the door is open. Easy summer hacks. How to prevent flies from invading your home when the door is open. Are you tired of the constant battle against flies buzzing around your home during the hot summer months? If so, there's a surprisingly effective trick that could change your experience. A TikTok user known as @MissInPlaceAU has shared a clever hack that has taken the internet by storm, amassing over 24,000 likes. In their viral video, they reveal that placing bags filled with water and coins outside your home can deter flies. The reasoning behind this is fascinating. Flies mistake the reflective surfaces of the coins for a bee's nest, which they instinctively avoid. Additionally, flies are not fond of water, and the coins create a prism effect that reflects light and mimics the appearance of water. You can check out the full video here at @MissInPlaceOU. Refer to embed #CleanTalk, #CleaningHack, #CleaningHack, #4U. Additional strategies to eliminate flies. There are numerous other affordable and straightforward home remedies you can implement to keep those pesky flies at bay throughout the summer. Utilize citrus oils, candles, and incense. Natural methods for repelling flies include strategically placing citronella candles and incense near open doors and windows. You can also use dried cloves, mint, lavender, or cinnamon in pots or bowls by open windows, as flies tend to dislike these strong scents. Furthermore, consider spraying essential oils around your home, focusing on potent fragrances like lemongrass, peppermint, and eucalyptus. Craft a fly trap using apple cider vinegar. If you find yourself without essential oils or herbs, a simple yet effective solution is to create a fly trap with apple cider vinegar. Combine the vinegar with a few drops of dish soap and place it in a bowl near windows and doors. The enticing aroma will draw flies to the mixture, but the dish soap reduces the surface tension, causing them to become trapped. Alternatively, you can fill a bowl with apple cider vinegar, cover it with cling film, and poke several holes in the top. The vinegar will lure the flies inside, but they won't be able to escape once they enter. Hang coins in water by the window. A popular tip circulating in the Mrs. Hinch Cleaning Tips Facebook group suggests hanging a Ziploc bag filled with water and coins from an open window or above a door. The theory is that the light reflecting off the coins confuses the flies, causing them to retreat rather than enter your home. Store fizzy drinks in the fridge and clean up spills. Fruit flies are particularly attracted to the carbon dioxide emitted by fizzy drinks. To prevent an influx of these pests, ensure that any spills are cleaned up promptly. Rinse out empty bottles and store any opened fizzy drinks in the refrigerator. Wash dirty dishes promptly. Leaving dirty dishes piled up by the sink can attract flies. To avoid this, make it a habit to wash and put away dishes as soon as possible. This practice not only keeps your kitchen clean, but also prevents flies from contaminating your dishes with bacteria or laying eggs on them. Use baking soda to keep your kitchen bin dry. During the summer, food waste in your bin can decompose more quickly due to the heat, attracting flies, insects, and even maggots. To combat this, sprinkle baking soda in your bin to absorb odors and any liquids that may leak out. However, remember to empty the bin frequently to maintain cleanliness. Store leftovers in sealed containers. Flies are drawn to uncovered leftover food, so it's essential to store any uneaten items in sealed containers or bags. This simple step can significantly reduce the likelihood of flies invading your space. Conclusion: with these practical tips, you can reclaim your home from unwanted flies this summer. But what do you think? Have you tried any of these methods, or do you have your own unique strategies? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Keep houseflies away naturally. The power of lavender, basil, and mint. Nothing sparks irritation quite like a swarm of houseflies invading your space during the summer months. They tend to gather in large numbers, buzzing loudly and darting around. But here's where it gets interesting. There is a natural, fragrant method to keep them away from your home. No harsh chemicals required. And yes, it's often more effective than you might think. Intriguingly, many common household sprays and repellents are only short-term solutions, frequently containing toxic chemicals that linger in the air and can cause ongoing irritation. Plus, these sprays rarely prevent new flies from entering. The problem just keeps recurring. Instead, experts suggest using certain plants that naturally repel flies, creating a barrier your home's windows and ledges. Richard Kale, a specialist at leaf culture, points out that choosing the right plants can make a significant difference. These plants not only beautify your living space, but also act as organic fly deterrents, an approach that's both eco-friendly and aesthetically pleasing. One particularly fragrant plant that works wonders is lavender. While humans adore its rich scent, flies absolutely hate it. Lavender releases essential oils like linalool, which irritate flies and drive them away. Planting lavender on your windowsills or outdoor ledges can serve as a subtle but powerful obstacle for these unwelcome insects, making it harder for them to detect food or scent trails that attract them. Another herb that's effective at repelling flies and mosquitoes is basil. Its robust aroma saturates the air around it, confusing and discouraging flies from approaching. Basil is a favorite in many kitchens because it's not only easy to grow indoors or outdoors, but also adds fresh flavor to your dishes. Just remember, to keep it healthy and vigorous, prune off any flowers it starts to produce, especially during growing season. Mint is renowned for its intense, cooling scent, which is especially potent at deterring a broad range of pests, including flies, ants, spiders, and even mice. Mint's sharp aroma contains menthol and other pungent oils, which unsettle these creatures and keep them at bay. Planting mint near entry points or windows can be a natural and effective pest control tactic. However, since mint is a vigorous grower, it can quickly take over if left unmanaged, so regular trimming is advisable. With warmer months bringing more open windows and doors, the likelihood of flies entering your home increases. But by strategically placing fragrant pest-repelling plants like lavender, basil, and mint, you create a natural defense that is both appealing and eco-conscious. Have you tried any of these methods? Or do you have favorite plants that keep pests out? Share your thoughts. Are there natural solutions you swear by? Or do you prefer conventional sprays? Let's discuss the best ways to keep our homes fly-free without relying solely on chemical repellents.